What's up, Techie family? Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Zhiyun, this is embarrassing. Zhiyun. I even took Mandarin for 3 years. I'm so sorry, Lasha, please forgive me. Anyway guys, this is the Zhiyun Smoooth X, or maybe 10 2-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphones. Let's go ahead and jump straight into the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are enjoying this unboxing so far, I'd really appreciate it if you can tap that like button and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I did some quick research on Zhiyun as a company, and they seem to be a consumer electronics company based in Shenzhen, China, that specializes in camera technology and equipment. From what I could tell, mainly gimbals and camera mounts. The reason why this thing is called the 2-axis gimbal is because there are 2 points of articulation to help provide additional stability to your videos. My partner currently has a DJI Osmo 3-axis gimbal, so I'm curious how these two will compare. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see that comparison. Overall, this gimbal feels very solid. There are 2 axes like I mentioned, and there's also a telescoping mechanism for use as a selfie stick. Don't judge me. And to hopefully get better video angles. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and can be controlled using the buttons below on the handle here. My only concern right off the bat is that I don't think that this will fit my iPhone XS Max with the battery case, so I'll probably have to change to a smaller case or perhaps go caseless to use this thing. I'll report back to show you guys my experience. Amazon sells this thing in 2 variations, one with and without the tripod. The one that I have here is the one with the tripod, and it costs roughly 10 bucks more, which I thought was worth the added convenience. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions or comments that I can help you with. If you enjoyed the video, again, please leave a like and subscribe for more content, and also stay tuned for a review coming later on this channel on this device. If you enjoyed the video, please again leave a like and subscribe for more content. Also stay tuned for a review on this gimbal coming later on this channel. Thanks as always for tuning in, guys, and hope you have a fantastic and wonderful day. Pew pew!